This video will show you how to blur face in CapCut PC. First, we add the video to our timeline and copy it using Alt and drag it above the first video. Now we will apply blur effect on the top video. Go to Effects, click on Lens and find the blur effect and drag it to the top video. Left-click somewhere outside to make the blur effect setting disappear, and left-click on the top video. Click on the mask option. Here we choose a circle because it fits best for faces. Fit it on the face on which you want to have a blur effect. Do you see the ugly, sharp edges of our circle? If you want your edges smoother, drag the feather option a little to the right. Now looks it better. I make the mask a little bigger to cover the whole face. If the face is still in the same place in the video, you're done. But if it moves, I'll show you how to set the mask so that it always covers the face. Go to the beginning of the video and click on the position keyframe, and you can also add a keyframe for the size and rotation if you need it. Now go to the part where you need to move your blur and move your mask. The keyframes will be added automatically to the video. Repeat this process to the end of your video, and it is done. If you want stronger or weaker blur effect, click on the top video and select Edit Effects. This table pops up where you can adjust the intensity of your blur effect. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a nice day.